In this video, I'll show you how to build and sell funnels to coaches using GoHighLevel so you can create a profitable service business. Step 1. Identify the coaching niche. Fitness coaches, life coaches, and business coaches all need leads and clients, but their funnels look slightly different. Pick your niche and tailor your funnel design. Step 2. Build the funnel in GoHighLevel. Use the drag and drop builder to create a landing page, lead magnet opt-in, and booking page. Add a thank you page to complete the funnel flow. Step 3. Automate follow-ups. Set up emails and SMS sequences to nurture leads, build trust, and drive them to book discovery calls with the coach. Step 4. Package your funnel. Offer it as a ready-to-use solution. Position it as a done-for-you system that generates leads and appointments on autopilot. Step 5. Sell to coaches. Reach out on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or through cold emails. Showcase results and emphasize how GoHighLevel funnels can scale their coaching business. And that's it. With GoHighLevel, you can build, automate, and sell high-value funnels to coaches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.